All right, fellow XRP holders, how you doing? We're going to talk about something that's happening right in front of you. We're going to talk about the state of the union of XRP right now, $2.75, and the fact that it's most likely going to go down even more here in the near future, and the pros and cons of that. A lot of stuff to discuss in this video. Please do two things for me. Please hit that like, hit that subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. And I've got something really cool for you at the end as well that can help you make a lot more money if you're interested in that. Okay. All right. So let's get into this. So we've got a couple of things I want to share with you as it relates to XRP. Number one, the market cap, 3.75 trillion, 3,750 billion. I want to show you this. The average market, let me move the picture of me over here. All right. Okay. So what you're looking at here is the crypto market RSI. RSI stands for Relative Strength Index. And this really shows you whether or not the market is overbought or oversold. And really, those words are exactly what you think they are. If a market is overbought, it basically means that it's getting to the point where it is too bullish, it's been overbought, and it's going to start going the other way, which is people are going to start selling. Okay. And if a market is oversold, is exactly what you think it is. It means that the market has been oversold. Too many people have sold. Too many cryptos have been oversold. It's just been it's oversold. I know that sounds like, well, yeah, okay, that's what it is. Okay, so we are in an oversold market, which in essence, the way I think about oversold, to put it in very simple kind of kindergarten terms, is that it's a market that's ready for a turnaround. Okay. Now, that's kind of the positive. Now, this oversold condition can last for a little bit. And I think we're going to be here in this oversold condition, for a while. In fact, I'm show you like right here. I don't know if I showed you this. XRP is right here. You see it right here. So XRP is the RSI on the 15-minute, 56, 44 on the 1 hour, so forth. And on the 7-day, 52. Okay, so you can see right here. Now, really, really dark green or darker green here means even more oversold, like AIOT, MLK, et cetera. So you can see it's right here. Sol, Ethereum, Bitcoin, it's all right here together. Okay, so that's kind of a positive note, if you will. All right, fear and greed running at a 32. All right, so here's what I want to share with you. Look, we're in a market right now, and I've been talking to you about this in videos where the market is pretty bearish. Now, a couple of key things to note. I've been talking about the fact that there's over $22 billion of contract options that are expiring today, 17.5 billion of Bitcoin and a little over 5 billion of Ethereum. Those are positions that are in essence going to be wiped out. And the market is going to absorb that, but there is fear and uncertainty around that, et cetera. I've also been talking to you guys about the fact that there's 4, 5, 6 technical analysis guys out there who I follow, I look at, and I kind of follow what they're saying. The majority of them, and pretty much across the board, are saying that it looks like we're going to see Bitcoin possibly go to 103, 105, maybe even 100, kind of in a worst case scenario. And right now, Bitcoin is trading in the 109 range. Okay. So what's the impact here on XRP? All right. So XRP, $2.75. All right. So what's the impact if we see Bitcoin go to 103? XRP is going to go down. Okay. So back to the title of the video. What's happening right in front of you? Whales are buying. They are stepping in and they are buying at these levels. Why? They're lowering their cost per buy, their DCA, right? Dollar cost averaging, so forth. Whales are going to be buying as we continue to roll down. So yes, I know it's not fun when the asset XRP goes down in value. I'm not saying it is, right? But it's a factor scenario here that whales, institutions are buying at these levels and will continue to buy as we see XRP roll down. Me, I am certainly not a whale, definitely not an institution, but I'm going to be buying. I buy a little bit every week, but I've got stable coins sitting, waiting for XRP to move down dramatically. And I think we could see from an XRP price prediction, I think we could see XRP definitely go to below 250 here, maybe even go down to closer to $2. And if this is our reality, if this is where we're going to see, then I'm going to celebrate it. I'm going to be buying at $2. And I'm not celebrating the cost of XRP going down. I don't want XRP to go down. I am an XRP bull, okay? But this is a market condition scenario playing out. And I think we're going to see this for the remainder of September, first week or two into October. And I think kind of mid-October, we're going to start to see things change and kind of start turn back more towards the bullish and, the bullish region. So we're going to see XRP bounce and head back up along with the rest of crypto. Now, again, I don't have a crystal ball, but that's kind of the expectation. And that's the people that I talk to, the people that I depend on for kind of my strong technical analysis, TA analysis, and kind of timeframes. That's pretty much the consensus. And that's what I wanted to share with you in this video so that you at least have some expectation about A, what's happening, B, whales are buying. You should be looking at buying if you can as we continue to see this roll down of XRP rolling down. And because XRP will roll down along with Bitcoin as it heads down to that 103, ish range. Okay. So just making you aware that this is something that you need to be aware of. Okay. So something I launched just in the last 4 or 5 days. This is called Inner Circle. This is a brand new thing I've launched to give you some really cool benefits and perks if you're interested. It's literally 90 cents a day, less than $1 a day. It's called Inner Circle. Okay, what do you get? You get access to my full portfolio. You get to see everything I own. You get buy and sell alerts. Anytime I buy or anytime I sell a crypto, you're going to get to see it. I'm going to give you AI crypto picks. These are hot AI crypto picks that my AI engine, my AI platform picks. You get 1 to 2 of those per week. In fact, the AI crypto pick that earlier I gave you guys, or gave my Inner Circle earlier members, went up 70% in about 24 hours. Okay. So that was really a great day, so to speak. Prime value crypto picks. These are undervalued cryptos that are getting ready to kind of start going the other way. You also become part of an investing community. Okay. It's a private Discord. You have access to me, my people, all this kind of stuff. There's a 30-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee. So it's a refund guarantee you're protected against. And as I said, it's $27 a month. The price is going to go up. This is the lowest price I'm ever going to offer it at. It's an introductory price, and I'm going to raise the price in the very near future. So if you want to get in at this lower price, it's an introductory price. You can. Quarterly options, the cheapest on a per day basis, and it's 90 cents a day, less than 90 cents. Can you cancel at any time? You betcha. Is there a money back guarantee? You betcha. I just told you about it. Is it for beginners, intermediate, advanced? It's for everybody, anybody. There's something for everybody here. So if this is interesting to you, give it a look. Links are in the description below, right below this video. If you're watching this video on X, the link's below this video as well. All right. It's right down there. Okay. All right. I will see you. Have a good one. And look, I think that we're going to see XRP continue to roll down, as I said, and, I guess celebrate the fact that we're going to go down in the short term and you can buy even more at lower prices. It's kind of how I'm looking at it. All right. See you.